Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Carmageddon rogue shift game crashing or crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, won't start, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users click on Steam option, then click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once it restarts, now check if you can play the game. If not, next is to check the system requirements of the game. So after you go to Steam, search for the game, go below, and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue. If not, next is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it resolves the issue. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to play the game and see if this helps to resolve the problem. If the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next solution is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to search for device manager. After it opens, you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. If not, next solution is to allow the game through firewall. In that situation, you have to go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application. Now after that, select the game from here. Make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next method is to run game from the installation folder or the exe file. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game exe file. Simply double click on it and then check if it's opening or not. If not, you are suggested to run the game as admin. For that, select the game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility. And here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it resolves the problem. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if it resolves the problem now. But if the issue continues again and again, come back, simply uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and here click on verify integrity of game files. Wait for some time. Once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check if it helps to fix the problem. If not, next solution is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled on your system like Nvidia Shadowplay or MS Afterburner, then you should disable them because this can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. So make sure you disable all those third-party applications. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, now try to launch the game and then check if it helps to fix the issue. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Once done, launch the game and check. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Now after the website opens, here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. After your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it without any further problem. If not, next is to run move game to the SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then you can face crashing or several other issues while playing the game. So you are suggested to move the game if it's not installed on SSD. You can easily check it. Go to Steam. Click on Steam option, click on settings. Now go to the storage and here you can see all the games downloaded or installed on SSD or on other drive. So if you have to check if the game is on another drive, you simply have to select it and after that click on move option. So this will move the game from other drive to SSD, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for View Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select Custom Size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Once you have done this, click on Set and then click on OK. After that, try to launch the game and check if it helps to resolve the problem. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to search for check for updates. Once it is opened, you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, wait for some time and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game application to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Carmageddon Rogue Shift game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your system. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Carmageddon Rogue Shift game and finally click on the play button to check if it's working now. So these are few suggested solutions that will surely help to fix crashing or crashing at startups, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on Carmageddon Rogue Shift game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.